Let's learn English through short restaurant conversations with vocabulary and listening questions. Booking a table online. Hello, I would like to book a table for dinner.
Sure, when would you like to come?
Tomorrow evening at 7 p.m.
Do you prefer a window seat or a table near the entrance?
A window seat, please.
How many people will be in your group?
4 people.
Great, I will reserve the table now.
Can you tell me what is on today's menu?
Yes, you can see the menu on our website easily.
That's convenient. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Book. To reserve or arrange in advance. Window seat. A seat next to the window. Reservation. An arrangement to have a table or room saved. Your listening question is: how many people are in the guests group? Answer: there are 4 people. Ordering a dish.
Excuse me, does this dish contain onions?
Let me check for you. No, it doesn't have onions.
Great, I'm allergic to onions.
Thank you for letting me know.
Can I order the chicken salad without onions?
Yes, we can prepare it without onions for you.
That's perfect.
Would you like anything to drink?
Just water, please.
I'll bring it right away.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Allergic. Having a reaction to certain foods or substances. Prepare. To make something ready to eat. Dish. A food item served at a meal. Your listening question is: what ingredient does the guest want to avoid? Answer: he wants to avoid onions. Complaining about the food. Excuse me, I'm not happy with my meal.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is wrong with the food?
The steak is too salty and overcooked.
I apologize. Would you like us to prepare a new one?
Yes, please. I would prefer it medium rare.
Of course, I will inform the kitchen right away.
Thank you. I hope the next dish is better.
We will make sure it is.
Can I order a salad while I wait?
Yes, I'll bring the menu for you.
That's great, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Overcooked. Cooked too much and losing taste. Medium rare. Cooking level for steak, pink inside. Inconvenience. A problem or trouble. Your listening question is: what is wrong with the guest steak? Answer: the steak is too salty and overcooked. Asking about kids' menu. Do you have a kids' menu?
Yes, we have a special menu for children.
Are there healthy options on it?
Yes, we offer grilled chicken and steamed vegetables.
That sounds good. Are the portions small?
Yes, they are smaller and suitable for kids.
Can I order a kids' meal with fruit juice?
Absolutely, fruit juice is included.
Great. I'll order 2 kids' meals, please.
I'll bring your order soon.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Kids' menu. Special food choices for children. Grilled. Cooked over direct heat. Portion. The amount of food served. Your listening question is: what healthy options are available on the kids' menu? Answer: grilled chicken and steamed vegetables. Talking about today's special dish.
Today's special is grilled salmon with lemon sauce.
That sounds delicious. Is it popular with customers?
Yes, many people like it because it's fresh and healthy.
How should I describe it to the guests?
Mention the fresh ingredients and the light lemon flavor.
Got it. Should I suggest any side dishes?
Yes, the mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables go well with it.
Perfect. I'll recommend that to the customers.
Also, remind them it's only available today.
I will. Thanks for the information.
You're welcome. Let's make sure it's perfect.
Absolutely.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Special. Something different and better than usual. Ingredient. A food item used to make a dish. Side dish. Food served with the main meal. Your listening question is: what is today's special dish? Answer: today's special dish is grilled salmon with lemon sauce. Asking about the bill and payment. Could I have the bill, please?
Sure, here is your bill.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept credit cards and cash.
Is service charge included?
Yes, a 10% service charge is included.
Great. How much is the total?
The total is $45.50.
Can I split the bill with my friend?
Yes, we can divide it for you.
Thank you. I'll pay with my card.
Please enter your PIN when ready.
Done. Thank you for your help. Let's look at the vocabulary. Bill. A paper showing how much money you need to pay. Service charge. Extra money paid for service. Split. To divide into parts. Your listening question is: can the guest pay by credit card? Answer: yes, the guest can pay by credit card. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.